We're gonna be doing let's go. I'm blinded. Absolutely blinded. Hey! It's Monday. I was not going to film. Hi guys, welcome back to this week's vlog. If you're new here, my name is Natalie, and if you're not new here, welcome back. Welcome back. I like to do weekly vlogs. I've been knitting for about 5 years now, and I am kind of new to knitwear pattern design. I have a few designs, another one in the works that'll be released within the next, oh my god, like so soon. But that's just me. I never do a proper intro, so hi. I'm happy you're here. I was not really planning on filming today because basically I feel like my vlogs are like really long and I feel like no one fully watches it till the end, which is fine, like I don't, whatever. But I'm also like, maybe I should try and slim them up or post 2 like beginning of the week, end of the week, I don't know. But this week is sort of a busy week. It's Thanksgiving this week. And I originally thought I was going to be working because I thought the mountain would be open. The mountain is open, I'm just not scheduled. So now I am going down to see family for Thanksgiving, which is unexpected. We're gonna be leaving Wednesday. We drive down to Southern California. And I think the part that I'm most annoyed about is that it's going to be hot as balls. In the literal 80s. That's criminal, and I bet it's gonna snow. Like literally every year at home, it truly, like, it snows the day that we're leaving, and it just breaks my heart to leave. But anyways, I went out because I kind of had to pull together a fit. Now listen, I have some clothes. I have clothes, and I was pulling together outfits, but I'm like, let me go look at Old Navy. Old Navy's kind of popping off, and they're like always having a sale. When I buy things, it's either I 100% need it, or I work around sales, deals, /points. So I truly do not shop full price. So I just have to say that because I feel like I talk about like money and like, oh, I don't want to spend money on that. I want, like, my spending habits are very weird, but I'm always calculated. That is very important. I am a calculated fool, okay? So anyways, let me show you what I picked up. I didn't like do any vlogging because I wasn't going to show it, but like I have to. First up, I did pick up some wee little hoops, but they're like the hoops that go all the way around. Good Lord, is it hard to find tiny little things. Like I just want these forever in my ears. So they were like this, they're like sterling silver. They were like $15. But I'm just keeping those suckers in. I technically have 2 piercings, but one side is like closed. So it is what it is. Yes, so those are from Old Navy. And then I also got me a pair of these pants. Being blinded. Okay. Oh my god. I'm gonna like lose my marbles. Anyways, these wide leg, cute cream studs. And what's crazy, okay, so I was like scoping out online. I like to scope out online before I go in. Always. I did try those pants on with another top, but I just felt like I wouldn't get enough wear out of that top. Like it's cute, but it's very much holiday. And it's not that it was like, I don't know, it was super cute and it was pretty flattering on $20, but I'm just like, I don't like, I've been in a shopping mood lately and I'm like, I don't want to be irresponsible in my spending. So I have to figure out more than one way to wear it. And like, yeah, I have like multiple pants options, but like, what would I wear? Like, would I wear it, you know, a couple times this year? Like there are certain tops that I own that are just like, I start wearing them this week all through December and then like New Year's, and then that's really it. But anyways, those pants, they will be very cute. I have a million things to wear with them, which is cute. And then I needed more texture spray. I kind of think I figured out the secret sauce for my hair, which is really great. I have to blow it out, but like that's what's able to make it like stay, like it doesn't need to be washed within like 2 days. Like I can usually go like 3 or 4 if I fully blow it out. But I blow it out. I washed it yesterday, blew it out, and then I do flat iron curls. Have really been like doing it for me. And then just texture spray the literal crap out of my hair. And then I'll use texture spray and then dry shampoo in the roots if necessary, and then like a little bit of the Lush Super Milk to kind of like revive it and make it a bit nicer. But anyways, Sexy Hair was 50% off. So I wanted to try. This is the texture spray that I have been using. Did not last long, so I'm like disappointed in that. $14, whatever. And the smell is like okay, but like I don't really want something that scented. So I don't know. But yeah, I think I paid $12 because like Black Friday, 50% off. So let's spray a little bit of this and try it. And the best part about these is that they have a bit of heat protectant in them. Yeah. Honestly, something, oops. I can't really brush. Oh crap. Oh no. I can't really put a brush through because it'll just low-key brush out the curl and then it's kind of gone. As you can see, it's not that good today. Okay. This is like the weirdest. Oh my. I like the smell of that. Okay. Okie dokie. Okay. All I know is that I'm going to desperately need like a detox shampoo of some sort because the amount of stuff I've been putting in my hair. But yeah, that's what we got. How about a whip update real quick? So I think in the last vlog, I was talking about how I'm doing a bonnet. I made a swatch. I experimented with the honeycomb, 3-dimensional honeycomb style stitch. I don't know. And so I sent a picture to my friend and I was like, girl, what we thinking? What would you like? And she's like, ooh, I like the top. I'm like, it's so her. And I said that. I'm like, girl, I had a feeling. It's so you. And she's like, oh my God, you know me. I'm like, oh my God, yes. So we're going to be doing that. All I have to say about this freaking mohair, though, it was, like, terrible to cake up. Truly awful experience. Kept getting torn. Just not a fun time. Now, granted, I don't have, like, one of those nice Swift things, but still, it was, like, sticky. It was a sticky mohair. Honestly, like, it's the perfect color match, so like I'm not gonna change anything, but like if I had to like get a sweater quantity of a mohair, I don't think skeined mohair should exist. Like that's like just not, it's not it, to be honest. Not it. We're gonna do a quick POTS try on, and literally another reason why I was like, oh, I should really get those pants is because they'll look good. They're going to look great actually with this beautiful deep red pot sweater and like a lot of my other sweaters. And like I have blue sweaters that like, yeah, I can wear with jeans, whatever, but like sometimes it's nice to shake it up. I don't have any. I have a white pair of linen pants, but this is more of a cream and it's not so like summer, you know. Yes, sir. Yeah, I should probably stop because, or do I want to make it longer? I think my pattern says like 8 inches maybe. Oh, technically 1 more inch, but my underarm is deep. I don't know. Let's try on my gray one. I love it, but let me just, oops. Sweaters are so hard. Okay. It's sitting a bit longer than my other one, which I obviously want because it's a medium. Yeah, I think that would be good to start ribbing. So yeah, that's Monday, boo-boos. I don't know if I'll be back today. I was not really expecting to film. Hello. Ew. Hello. It's Tuesday. We're gonna start packing. Here's how the rest of the week is gonna go. We drive down to Southern California tomorrow, so we'll just be in the car for 8 hours doing nothing. Knitting, I don't know. And then Thursday is Thanksgiving. Friday, I don't really know what we'll do. It'll just be chill, maybe drive around, walk, eat. Probably, this may be a short vlog, I don't know. So we'll drive home Saturday, and then Sunday, we're cutting down our Christmas tree, which is so exciting. We've been cutting the tree down for like 10 years because you can just go up to the mountains, pay $10 for a permit, cut it down, and it's so fun. Like, and we usually get like 2 trees, one for the living room and then one for like our front room area, and it's really fun. I don't think there's like a lot of snow, so we don't have to, like, some years it's actually so crazy the difference. Like some years there's no snow on the ground, you just wear jeans and you just go cut it down, and then other years we've literally had to trek through at least a foot, maybe a foot and a half of snow. So this year I don't think it's going to be that crazy, but it's always really fun and I like cutting it down. That's the plan for the rest of the week. I guess I'll do a knitting update. I'm probably gonna bring this project as well, and then before the day's over. Okay, so also today, I gotta pack, obviously. I gotta paint my nails. I've kind of been putting it off, gotta paint my nails, and then I'm going to cast on the bonnet. And so I'll probably be bringing this project and then this sweater, because why not? When you're driving, it's easy. So anyways, here's where we're at. I started the ribbing last night. I was really in a groove. I kind of stayed up till like midnight just listening to music and knitting. Sometimes I just get in the groove like that. So I have like, what, maybe 1.25 inches done? So that's fun. And then I have 5 more balls for 2 sleeves and a big neck. I think that'll be okay. I think 2 balls per sleeve and then 1 for the neck. I think I'm gonna be fine. But yeah, I'm so excited to wear this with the new pants that I got yesterday. I think it'll look real snazzy. Let's start packing. It's supposed to be in the 70s, which is barf, but like it's like a hot 70s for like maybe 2 hours, and then the rest is like actually pretty chilly. So like jeans and a t-shirt. Like I hate wearing shorts, so I'm not packing shorts. But I like to bring a couple options for Thanksgiving, just because I don't know what I'll be in the mood for. So like a couple top options. So unfortunately I can't like ball out in my sweaters. Maybe I'll like bring one to wear, but I don't know. I kind of doubt it. But anyways, we're gonna pack these jeans and then pack a bunch of, not a bunch, but like a few black top options. So I have like this one, which is like kind of classy. The problem is it just sucks to have to wear like super tight stuff on Thanksgiving, but whatever. I also have this, which is like a bit of a higher neck and it's longer, so I could like tuck it in, which is kind of nice. I don't know, like I could bring a loose black tee, which whatever. Like it's literally only packing for like 2 days and I'm bringing a whole suitcase. Oh, and then maybe this one, because I really like this one. And then for shoes, I'm obviously gonna bring these bad boys, but listen, oh my, I need to get the thing for the heels, because I don't want to show you my feet, but like every time, like, and I have like permanent like on the heel. Okay, you can't see, but I literally have like permanent scars from how fricked up these shoes have, like how fricked up these shoes are, how fricked up I don't know. I got them before I went to Sweden last year. And I remember the first day I wore them because I was commuting. So like, and my commute was like, get on the metro, walk to the metro, get on the metro, subway, whatever they call it, I don't know. And then take it all the way to the bus stop, walk all the way to the bus stop, or like the bus depot or whatever, like where a lot of the buses pick up. Get on said bus and then walk from bus stop closest to office and walk to office. I messed my poor feet / heels up. And then I wore these Saturday when we went bowling. I don't know. The thing is, like, I don't really want to wear them with socks, but like I think socks will do a bit better of protecting. But also maybe I just need like band-aids. I would love to get those like silicone inserts, but then you still have to wear socks with it. So it's just kind of like, anyways, all I know is that next, like I want loafers so bad, but I really only want to get real leather. Because these won't get broken in. This back part is never going to get broken in because it's plastic. It doesn't do the leather thing. And it's pretty painful. Like, but they're so freaking cute. I don't know. So I can bring those and then maybe any of these hoes. I don't know. These are pretty comfortable. I also think these are Steve Madden. Yeah. They were like a Fry knockoff. I don't know. I got them like years and years ago. But yeah, that's it. And then maybe a couple accessories. I'm digging the little hoops that I got. They're absolutely perfect. Like, never taking them out. I would love to be like a stack kind of person, but I feel like you got to get your hands on like good earrings to sleep on, obviously, and just ones that you constantly keep in. Like if I have to take something out at the end of the night, like I'm like, I don't really want to, I don't know. I just feel like I have a harder time committing to jewelry if I have to take it on and off constantly. But then I also don't really like sleeping in it, so it's kind of like finding a balance of jewelry that's like chill enough to sleep in. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I also like have like a popped blood vessel under my eye. I'm not really sure what the deal is there. My hair kind of needs to be brushed. Hello, hello, hello. We're back, baby. Oh my god, I look terrible. I desperately need a shower. Should I just put a beanie? No, I'll put a beanie on in a minute. We're so back. I just got a bunch of random clips over Thanksgiving just because it's important to be respectful of everyone around. Like, okay, like immediate family, whatever, but like everyone else, all my other family, you know, they probably don't want to be in a YouTube video, and that's okay. And there's also no privacy to chit chat, no break. We got back last night and we're gonna go cut down our tree right now. And I realized, like, I hate when Thanksgiving is, like, tomorrow's the 1st. Are you joking my ass right now? Oh my god. And I was just thinking, like, I haven't planned out anything or talked about doing, like, VLOGMAS and stuff. I guess since it's my first year, I'll just be, like, chill. I can't do a vlog every day, though, just because I don't do enough things in the day. And also, like, working, like, so I'm thinking maybe 2 vlogs a week instead. I think that'll be perfect, because it's not like the filming is necessarily hard, but I just don't know if there'll be enough to get done. But I don't know, I'm not really gonna stress about it. But I'm freezing. I'm breaking out in hives because it was warm down in California and now it's cold here. I hope everyone had a super lovely Thanksgiving holiday, and if you did nothing, that's okay too. That is totally okay if you had to do that. When the makeup just flakes off, I guess I'm dry. Oh brother, oh my god, ew. I need to shower. I started editing this vlog, so it should be up tonight, but then I was kind of thinking, well, maybe I should upload it tomorrow as like or I can just, you know what, no, I can just include it as day 1 of Vlogmas. Like, why not? It's just a title, you know. Oops. It's just a title. We'll be back to chat later after the whole tree montage. It's 11, well, it's 10:45. We're leaving at 11, and then I gotta reset all my stuff. I really gotta get organized, and it's my brother's birthday tomorrow, so we gotta take care of that. So maybe run some errands and such. So I'll be back.